In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out on Amazon. Whether you're finishing a shopping session on a shared computer, or you just want to keep your account secure, signing out is quick and ensures no one else can access your orders, addresses, or payment methods after you're done. First, open your web browser and go to www.amazon.com. Give the page a second to load and make sure you're on the Amazon homepage. You'll know you're currently signed in if you see a personalized greeting near the top right that says something like "Hello," followed by your name, along with access to your orders and lists. If you're not signed in, you'll instead see options to sign in, so you won't need to sign out. Next, move your attention to the top right corner of the page and look for the label that says Account and Lists. On a desktop or laptop, hover your mouse over Account and Lists to open the menu. If you're using a smaller screen in a browser, you may need to click it once to expand the options. Take your time here. The menu is fairly long and includes sections for your orders, your recommendations, and your account settings. This is Amazon's main hub for anything tied to your profile, and it's also where the sign out option lives. Now, within that expanded menu, look toward the lower part of the list for the option labeled Sign Out. It's typically near the bottom, below the account shortcuts. Click Sign Out. When you do, Amazon will end your session and return you to a page where the top right corner now shows Sign In instead of your name. That's your confirmation that the process worked. If you want to double check, try clicking Account and Lists again. You should see prompts to sign in rather than your account details. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you're on a shared or public computer, it's a good idea to close the browser tab or window after signing out. If your browser offers to save passwords, consider declining on shared devices to prevent automatic sign-ins. Signing out won't cancel any orders or subscriptions. It simply protects your account until you choose to sign back in. And if you manage multiple Amazon accounts, repeat the same steps anytime you switch users to keep everything separate and secure. That's all there is to it. Go to Amazon, open Account and Lists, and choose Sign Out. With this habit, you'll keep your information safe and your shopping experience worry-free.